Yo guys, today we're gonna do a reaction video to a Shaqtin' a Fool top 5. So let's go. Let's go. Okay. Go. Best of inside, huh? Oh, They talking about tip off. The pre-game show, the rare pre-game show of Shaq and Fool. Okay, some sponsors there. There's Shaq. Oh, here's it. We're gonna have it now. Almost. Oh, oh well, yo. Did I just choke? Oh, nominee number one, Andrew Bogut. Let's see it. Okay, let's see. Oh. He lazy, dude. He lazy. Oh, low blow. Low blow. Get it in the ball sack, man. Get it in the ball sack. Westbrook. Let's go, Westbrook. Let's go. Oh, nice pass. Nice pass to the fans. Nice pass. That was like having an F on your favorite subject. Oh, Adam Silver. The bald. Okay, let's see it. Oh, what is he doing? What is he just knobbed Curry. He just knobbed Curry. Oh, I don't care. I think that's what he said. I don't care. I think that's what he said. Okay, Kevin Love. Okay, let's see it. Oh, let's see it. Oh, what is that, man? What is that? That was one of the shittiest thing I've ever seen in my whole life of watching basketball, man. Terrence Ross? Okay, rare. It's rare. Okay, let's see it. Oh, what the heck? What the heck did you do? What the heck is that? Look at that. What the heck? It's like LeBron. Okay, guys, that's the end. I can't take it anymore. This is too much idiocracy, too much new moves over things. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like it, and we'll see you again next time.